Hello, my name is Allie and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I decided that this week I'm gonna challenge myself and try to do a hike every single day after work. And today's Monday, day one. The first section of the hike has these stairs. I think I'm gonna do the same hike every single day. And the stairs go to the other side as well. Anyway, I just felt like I needed some extrinsic motivation to, exercise. So we're doing this. And I'm gonna share that here. Okay, let's go on this beautiful hike. I'll show you some flowers, some trees, things like that. Maybe some banana slugs. We'll see. First flowers. Here we go. Some beautiful irises. Whew, okay. Wish me luck. Little strawberry. Did you see all those beautiful flowers? That's why I love this area so much. There's just so much diversity, so many plants and little creatures. Forgot what I was gonna say. I'm so tired. I'm coming up on this nasty hill. It's like the worst part of the hike, my least favorite at least. And it's like towards the end of the hike too, so it's not fun. But I just wanted to say, this is the reason why I love this area so much, is because there's so many plants and it's so green all year long. This isn't the best maintained trail, but it is a fun one for the exercise. I don't know if you can see how steep this is. This is so bad. Okay. Wish me luck. Barely started on this hill and there's so much more to go, and that is not the end of it. Like right there, it's like another part that's like twice as steep and twice as long. was day one. So that was a fail. It is now Friday, and I didn't go back on the hike since I saw you last on Monday. But it is going to be an exciting weekend because I'm dog sitting. Momo, oh, come here. He is the cutest little guy. Yes, he's so cute. You're so cute. I love you. You're my friend. You're my friend. You're my best friend. Anyway, see you when I see you.